Why do most of teachers believe that technology boosts student engagement? Find out with our MOOC on technological empowerment in education. This MOOC is crafted to supercharge your teaching skills with the power of technology. Whether you are a seasoned educator, a teacher in training, or a trainer yourself, this MOOC is the key to a technological empowerment. Our MOOC is completely online and self-paced, no rigid schedules, no waiting for feedback or assessment. Just pure learning at your own pace. Convenient, right? The MOOC is divided into these 5 comprehensive sections. By the end of this MOOC, you will be able to empower students with digital skills, support teaching with digital tools, and enhance learning through co-creation and tech-integrated lesson plans. Imagine the boost in student engagement and learning outcomes. With interactive content, engaging assignments, and thought-provoking quizzes, this MOOC offers you everything you need to stay ahead in the educational game. Equivalent of one ECT, you have all the tools at your disposal to create a dynamic and interactive learning environment. Ready to transform your teaching? Enroll now and empower your classroom with technology. Your journey towards technological mastery starts here.